Hi everyone! It's Jenny. Nawalang ligo for 4 straight days dahil walang pambiling shampoo, kaya nakaganito ako at diring-diring na sa buhok at anid ko. But nonetheless, welcome back to my YouTube channel! For today's video, it's the long overdue thrift flip. Basically, I'm just gonna transform my old clothes into cute and trendy tops. My inspo came from Pinterest and the sewing parts are all thanks to my parents. Here's a sneak peek of today's episode.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the videos you want to see on this channel. Please watch until the end of this video para makagain ako ng public watch time or watch hours. But anyway, let's start the video. First order of business. I have this plain black stretchable shirt. I had it since grade school and I don't wear it that often. Since it's body hugging, I want to turn it into a tube top, but I thought that it's boring that way. So I decided to make it like this trendy, square neck, wide strap shirt. Wow, that's a long description, but you get my point, right? I just laid the shirt neatly and measured 2 inches wide and 5 inches long for the strap. Then I aligned it to the other side using a ruler and chalk. Then I cut what I marked so that we can have a square neckline. I also cut the sleeves so that it can achieve the wide strap that we're aiming for. When I tried it on, the straps were loose and will slip down my shoulders. I must adjust it to my measurement, so my mother sewed the hem of each strap to tighten or rightly adjust it to my measurement so that it won't be too loose, but it ended like this. I don't know how to describe it, but basically it's screwed up. So what I did was I cut the screwed up part, which is the strap, and with that excess fabric, pinagkasya na lang namin iyon ni Mama for the strap, kaya tinahi niya ang hem of each strap, then attach it to the shirt by sewing it. By the way, we don't have black thread, so we're using a royal blue one, and I think it's not that noticeable from afar. And here's the before and after of me wearing the shirt. The straps are not that wide, but I think it's cute anyway. Here's an unnecessary montage of me being cute and girly. Enjoy!
To save it in the archives, press 9. To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?
Next on the chopping board is this red long sleeves shirt. It has buttons on the front. That's the only description that I have. I'm gonna upcycle it to look like this yet again trendy button-up cardigan crop top. First thing I did was to crop it by placing safety pins to the desired length on how short I want it to be. Me and my impulsiveness, crop it without marking it so it's not straight or aligned. I also cut the center where the buttons are so that it will become a cardigan, but I didn't know that it has something going on on the inside. So as you can see, I was struggling to cut it without making it look bad, but too late. To cover it up, I decided to fold the hem twice and sew it so that it won't be that noticeable. Of course, that's not my hand. Papa did all the sewing part here. And you can see him struggling to properly sew it because I cut it impulsively. But with Papa's solar hands, he managed to do something about it. And here's the finished product. I low-key think it's cute, if I must say. Again, on with this montage of me being dramatic. Pagbigyan niyo na ako, please. Our last victim for today, and probably the most difficult one. I have this long sleeves button-up shirt. I really like the fabric because it's kind of stretchy. It's a woman's clothes because it already has curves on the shirt. Yeah. I want to transform it to this trendy square neck puff sleeves blouse. It's a 2020 trend. We've seen it worn by the cool girls and I want to be a cool girl, so why not? The first thing we did was to visualize how to turn it into a square neck. So my mom measured 6 inches from the shoulder down to how low the square neckline is. We cut the sleeves as well as the collar of the square neckline and put it aside to focus on the bodice. The back of the shirt. It already has some adjustments, tonsils to the back, but it's still too big for me, so my mom adjusted more. Then we fold the hem for the square neckline. Sew it up and down for some effects, like this. Then for the sleeves, my mom grabbed a piece of elastics or garter, then sew it to the sleeves, so by pulling it so that it can create a ruffle effect. After that, my mom attached the sleeves to the armpit hole and voila! Here's a before and after! I really love how it turned out. All thanks for my mom who did all the works. And again with the montage. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Yeah, that's it. See me in my next video. God bless everyone and goodbye!